Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly, your transmission starts acting up. Rough shifting, slipping, or even getting stuck in one gear. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0973. This error is linked to the pressure control solenoid C circuit low voltage, which is essential for proper transmission performance. If ignored, it could lead to serious transmission damage. In this video, I'll break down what P0973 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0973? DTC P0973 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid C, Control Circuit Low Voltage. The Transmission Control Module TCM manages the pressure control solenoids, which regulate the transmission's hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. When the voltage for solenoid C is too low, it can cause shifting delays, slipping, or even transmission overheating. Common symptoms of P0973. If your car has this code, you might experience hard or delayed gear shifts, slipping transmission, RPM increases but speed doesn't, transmission stuck in limp mode, only certain gears work. Check engine light or transmission, warning light, increased fuel consumption sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0973, you need to check these key components. Pressure control solenoid C, location, found inside the transmission valve body, along with other solenoids. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module TCM, location, function, sends voltage signals to the pressure control solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function, monitors fluid pressure and reports it to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0973? Here are the possible causes. 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid C. Internal failure causes low voltage. 2. Broken or corroded wiring. Open circuit results in insufficient voltage supply. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM. Incorrect voltage output to solenoid. 4. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid can cause solenoid malfunctions. 5. Weak battery or ground connection can lead to power supply issues. How to fix P0973? Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, drain and refill with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires in the solenoid circuit. Fix any broken connections or short circuits. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid C. Open the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3-10 ohms. If resistance is too high or the solenoid is not functioning, replace it.